Hi, good day. Listen for a bit. Hi, good day. So, welcome to my video again. Good day. This time I will demo how to convert Autodesk 3D Studio Max or that 3ds Max to Blender or that Blend. Okay, let's start. Open the Blender application. General. First of all, delete the cube. Then go to edit preference. So go to get extension, then type 3ds Max. After type 3ds Max. There are three extensions available. So Autodesk 3D Studio, Autodesk Max, 3D Max, and 3D Studio PBSU. This Autodesk two extensions we will require. So we will install. Just click install. You can use now. So for Autodesk 3D Studio, it will support that 3ds Max to import the 3D Studio Max file. For that Max, it will support that Max to import in Blender. It means Autodesk 3D Max. Okay. Here's the details of the extension. Okay. Next. Then now is the object. So as an game character, 3D object. So this one. After that, file, import 3ds. So as you can see, it's appeared as 3ds Max. So this is object file, then 3ds Max. Okay, 3ds file. So I deleted the file. Then it's the once you locate your directory, it will be located automatically. Search and fetch the result of all that it is. Okay. Then check scene units, cursor origin, collections, and what it is. Okay, that's all. Okay. Also in Blender, you can change the print of the texture once you import into this. You can edit, change update the print, 3D object through the various texture, print match preset. So in the next video, I will show you how to paint an object and animate. Okay. By the way, once you import, you can save as that blend. This that blend is the rising sun of Blender. By converted object. Then so it's saved. So thank you for the video. Thank you for watching the video. Then stand by for next video. Thank you.